Hey, it's Noe with WTI. If you're looking for a great way to stay organized, then you're going to love this key holder from Rebee Vision. One of my favorite things about this key holder is that it has 6 key hooks. Even though this key holder is lightweight, it's very sturdy and durable. I love the width of the basket, which really allows you to fit a variety of things. I got the color retro brown, which I absolutely love. With it being wood, just be aware that if you do get multiple, that no two will look identical. They will have slight variations, which I think makes them look unique. They were very easy to put up. I love that it comes with a stencil or a guide, which ensures a perfect fit. It does come with all the hardware you will need. I was able to do it all by myself. You will need a drill bit and a drill gun in order to complete the process. This would be great just on its own, but if you did want to have multiple, it also looks great that way too. I could see this being used in an office, in a bedroom, or in an entryway. This could make a great gift. I absolutely love the look and the design of this key holder, and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.